What to buy this month at the Home Depot. Don't forget to help out this channel by subscribing, hitting the like and the bell icon so we can buy more tools like this, make better review videos. That's the way YouTube runs the platform, by subscribes and likes. So I'll help out this channel by doing so. Alright, to start here, we're gonna see some existing deals, and then we're gonna move on to some of the newer ones. These are the mowers. This is the entry level. This is pretty much the lower tier for a smaller yard. This is the next tier up. This is the medium, $449. So this is a full-size mower, kind of like on a budget side, and of course this is going to be your professional level or whoever wants to spend $1,000 on a mower. Unless you're a Red fan, then I don't know. Good luck to you spending $1,000. All right, so we got the buy more, save more. $550 will save you $175. $450 will save you $100. $350 will save you $50. Definitely some great deals. You guys can do a lot of combinations here. You guys see me do some videos in the past where we can hack these. You can do this online. You guys can do this at the store depending on what you want to do it, including that 8 amp hour battery. So make sure you guys double check your prices. Put those items in the cart, and make sure you guys take all the savings that you can, and obviously want to hack. Alright, so we got the strings. This is the Longer Life from Milwaukee. Definitely recommend that one. $449. You got the blower and string trimmer combo kit with battery and charger. You got the high output 2.5 amp hour battery for $79. That's a ripoff. I believe they're $79 for a 2-pack right now. I'll show you guys right now. You got this DeWalt pressure washer. I really like this pressure washer. I still got to get my hands into this one. This is $2.99. I really like that it comes with a lot of accessories, and it's pretty much a really nice unit. Does a built-in storage, so you won't be losing all those the nozzles and all that stuff. And again, guys, there's a lot of buy more, save more on these. I can't stress this enough, including the brand new blower there for $2.99, the one on the right. That is the brand new blower, 36, or not the 36 volt, but the dual battery blower. They got the chainsaw, a bunch of weed eaters. They got actually 2 different weed eaters. Alright, so this is the 8-inch pruning saw. The other one we saw earlier is the 6-inch. This is the 8-inch, $279. That's the chain for that one. And that is a pruning saw there. You got the gloves. These are really nice gloves. These are leather, goatskin gloves. Milwaukee printed on the side. They do have, you got an extension cord here, 1980. Guys, remember, these extension cords, they do drop. Some of you have been getting these for crazy low. You just have to wait for these to drop. So I'm just putting it out there so you guys would see what's up at your store. And make sure you guys double check those prices. You got the grass seed. I needed to get some grass seed, but I forgot my wallet. I was just too lazy to walk up to my truck and go back since I was recording for you guys. I'm like, I might as well just finish the video for you guys, because it does take a long time to record these videos. It takes about an hour and a half. You got the Klein Tools auto ranging multimeter there. You got the Husky extension cord, 25 footer. It says medium grade. Make sure you guys double check the thickness of the wire that's required for your appliance. You got the bug repellent there, and then you got some ceiling fans. So $199 down from $314. This was $139 down from $189. Good for renovations, or you guys are remodeling. Make sure you guys give a quick peek on the clearance section there. I really appreciate the Home Depot still carrying a full line of Echo products. Gas, you guys know, old reliable gas. Yes, it's not fun. It is. You have to pull it to start and put fuel and oil and all that stuff. But these are for professionals, people that are doing this all the time. Don't want to charge those batteries. That's their opportunity to, get yourself a nice tool there. We got some nails. There's a 16D 3.5. So a box of nails there, or screws. The Rust-Oleum paint. This is for fabric. $9.90. You got a 120 volt inflator Husky. Now this one does plug into the house. It's a regular house 120 volt outlet. There's some that you can plug into the car. I do prefer the one that you plug into the car. Get an electrical test kit here. These are not really nice kits. So definitely recommend one of these. For every household should have one of those, because you want to know what goes where, you know, in case you're working on the, well, if you work on your house, if you're a DIY. If you do any type of electrician's work at your house, you should have one of those tools. I got some inverters there from DeWalt. These are the two 2.5 amp hour batteries for $89. Yeah, I said $79, but yeah, they're $89, $10 more. You get yourself another battery. Got the buy one get one free. So you buy that $399 kit, get the free 8 amp hour, $229 fuel tool or tool kit, and you get a free 5 amp hour battery, high output battery. So definitely recommend those. These are down to $229, down from $240, $249. These are impact wrenches. And I'm looking for a box for my truck. My truck is black, so I'm looking for a black box, something that's low profile that I won't see, because I don't like looking at a toolbox basically. And since I have a single cab work truck, so it's I need something that's not gonna, you know, big enough so I can carry something back there. There's not a lot of space in the cab. These are really nice boxes, the Milwaukee boxes, and these Husky boxes are pretty nice, but like I said, I really want something low profile, or something that I'm not gonna be looking from the side of the truck. If you guys know anything, any boxes, let me know in the comment section what you guys recommend. If you guys got any style boxes, or what kind of style boxes you guys recommend for my truck. Alright, you got, it is a full-size Silverado, by the way. $279 and $249 will get you a free tool. It says in Spanish, but yeah, it's pretty much, that's what it is. You get the reciprocating saw, circular saw, sander. Ratchet's really good, so definitely recommend the ratchet. $184 down from $229. Get the brushless 1/2-inch hammer kit, hammer drill kit. Not bad, but not the best. You got a drywall cut tool for $104, down from $129. Pretty good, not too bad. And then you got a adhesive or caulk gun, down to $112 from $139. $37.97 was $44.97. These are 23-piece titanium drill bits. I've used some of these. They do work really good. I would definitely wait for the holidays, but if you can't wait, then that's the deal for you. $169 for the 3-tool combo kit, or the 2-pack for, yeah, that 2-pack I would definitely wait on that one, because you can get the 2.5s for $90 basically, or $80. $299. These are the same deals that we saw before on the other section. $19.97 for some bits. $219 for the charge. You get a free tool. So 45-piece XPS. These are really nice bits. Definitely check them out. You got some nut adapter or nut drivers, some socket adapter, a 1/4-inch socket adapter. This is a starter kit, 4 amp hour starter kit. These batteries are really expensive, so this is a really good deal, especially if you're gonna get a free tool. You get the flashlight sander. Obviously, the circular saw, the more expensive tools are the ones to get. The circular saw, reciprocating saw, the multi-tool, maybe the sander, job site blower. So any of those are pretty good deals, depending on what your needs are. $19.97 50-pack 5-inch sanding discs. These are from Diablo. These are great brands, and then you get a pack of 50, so pretty good stuff. Circular saw, framing blades, 7 1/4 and 6 1/2. Diablo 24-footer or 24 teeth. You got the reusable hand sanding block, $14.97. And then you got the replacement sanding paper. So these are washable according to what it says here. I never used one of these. Let us know in the comment section if you guys use these. Do they actually work? Do they last a long time? Do you wash them? Now this is the newer vacuum from Rigid, $199. If you guys haven't checked out my channel, but I did break my Milwaukee vacuum. The hose came off. It was just a mess trying to get it back. But I had to make a video. There's no videos out there for that. But let us know in the comment section if you run into that problem. Hopefully they fixed it on that vacuum. $119 down from $199. This is the Atomic Compact. Drill kits, $79 down from $139. This is a rigid brad nailer, or Ryobi brad nailer. Now I do have the older version of this thing. I really do like it. I used it on several projects around the house, and that thing's been nothing but great. A lot of baseboards, a lot of trim I've used it on. It does leave that mark, but you guys can cover it with some mud or some caulking, white caulking, or whatever you're using, so you guys could cover that up. You got some frame grip, 5 pairs of gloves there. Got the 5-gallon jug now that the heat's coming. So $24, not too expensive. I should have gotten that one for the truck, smaller one. It's just me on that work truck. So $54.98. That's for a crew. Much bigger container. Guys, that's it. Just a short video. Just the overall what we have at the depots going on right now. Don't forget to help out this channel by subscribing, hitting the like and the bell icon. And you guys have a great weekend. Thank you.